Welcome to Claverius Useful Phrases series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group session with our business English trainers. Enjoy listening.
I record all sales transactions accurately. I record all sales transactions accurately. I ensure all sales receipts are documented. I ensure all sales receipts are documented. I verify the accuracy of each sales invoice. I verify the accuracy of each sales invoice. I log every sale in the accounting system. I log every sale in the accounting system. I maintain detailed records of all sales transactions. I maintain detailed records of all sales transactions. I reconcile sales records with bank statements. I reconcile sales records with bank statements. I generate sales reports for management. I generate sales reports for management. I document the revenue earned from each sale. I document the revenue earned from each sale. I track sales transactions daily. I track sales transactions daily. I update the sales ledger regularly. I update the sales ledger regularly. I ensure sales records comply with accounting standards. I ensure sales records comply with accounting standards. I input sales data into the financial software. I input sales data into the financial software. I validate the revenue figures before recording. I validate the revenue figures before recording. I categorize sales by product type. I categorize sales by product type. I apply the correct tax rate to each sale. I apply the correct tax rate to each sale. I issue sales invoices promptly. I issue sales invoices promptly. I confirm customer payments against sales invoices. I confirm customer payments against sales invoices. I ensure all sales transactions are backed by proper documentation. I ensure all sales transactions are backed by proper documentation. I monitor sales trends to forecast revenue. I monitor sales trends to forecast revenue. I prepare monthly sales summaries. I prepare monthly sales summaries. I handle adjustments for sales returns. I handle adjustments for sales returns. I calculate total monthly sales revenue. I calculate total monthly sales revenue. I document discounts given on sales. I document discounts given on sales. I review and approve sales transactions. I review and approve sales transactions. I ensure all cash sales are recorded. I ensure all cash sales are recorded.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
I keep a record of credit sales. I keep a record of credit sales. I report any discrepancies in sales records. I report any discrepancies in sales records. I analyze sales data for financial planning. I analyze sales data for financial planning. I ensure timely recording of sales transactions. I ensure timely recording of sales transactions. I collaborate with the sales team for accurate data. I collaborate with the sales team for accurate data. I verify the completeness of sales documentation. I verify the completeness of sales documentation. I ensure all sales taxes are properly recorded. I ensure all sales taxes are properly recorded. I maintain sales transaction logs for audits. I maintain sales transaction logs for audits. I allocate revenue to the correct accounts. I allocate revenue to the correct accounts. I ensure sales transactions are entered in real time. I ensure sales transactions are entered in real time. I document sales commissions paid. I document sales commissions paid. I adjust for any sales allowances. I adjust for any sales allowances. I track revenue from online sales. I track revenue from online sales. I ensure foreign sales are recorded with correct exchange rates. I ensure foreign sales are recorded with correct exchange rates. I reconcile sales data with inventory records. I reconcile sales data with inventory records. I generate customer statements from sales records. I generate customer statements from sales records. I prepare sales forecasts based on historical data. I prepare sales forecasts based on historical data. I ensure compliance with revenue recognition policies. I ensure compliance with revenue recognition policies. I maintain records of deferred revenue. I maintain records of deferred revenue. I prepare sales-related journal entries. I prepare sales-related journal entries. I ensure sales records are secure and confidential. I ensure sales records are secure and confidential. I provide sales data for financial audits. I provide sales data for financial audits. I ensure sales records are easily accessible for review. I ensure sales records are easily accessible for review. I document financing arrangements for large sales. I document financing arrangements for large sales. I categorize sales by region. I categorize sales by region.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
I validate sales receipts against bank deposits. I validate sales receipts against bank deposits. I ensure accurate pricing on sales invoices. I ensure accurate pricing on sales invoices. I track installment sales. I track installment sales. I ensure timely follow-up on outstanding sales invoices. I ensure timely follow-up on outstanding sales invoices. I document promotional sales separately. I document promotional sales separately. I ensure accurate recording of bulk sales. I ensure accurate recording of bulk sales. I report sales performance to stakeholders. I report sales performance to stakeholders. I track sales incentives and bonuses. I track sales incentives and bonuses. I ensure accurate sales records during peak seasons. I ensure accurate sales records during peak seasons. I validate sales figures before closing the books. I validate sales figures before closing the books. I ensure sales data is backed up regularly. I ensure sales data is backed up regularly. I document intercompany sales transactions. I document intercompany sales transactions. I ensure compliance with sales contract terms. I ensure compliance with sales contract terms. I monitor sales accruals. I monitor sales accruals. I ensure accurate recording of sales to related parties. I ensure accurate recording of sales to related parties. I prepare sales variance analysis. I prepare sales variance analysis. I ensure sales records reflect current market conditions. I ensure sales records reflect current market conditions. I document sales made on credit terms. I document sales made on credit terms. I ensure accurate allocation of sales revenue. I ensure accurate allocation of sales revenue. I track sales made through different channels. I track sales made through different channels. I ensure sales records are updated for any changes. I ensure sales records are updated for any changes. I reconcile sales data with merchant services reports. I reconcile sales data with merchant services reports. I document revenue from subscription sales. I document revenue from subscription sales. I ensure sales records are filed systematically. I ensure sales records are filed systematically. I prepare sales tax returns based on recorded sales. I prepare sales tax returns based on recorded sales.
Visit Claverius.com for more interactive practice.
I ensure sales transactions are compliant with GAAP. I ensure sales transactions are compliant with GAAP. I document franchise sales separately. I document franchise sales separately. I validate sales data during financial close. I validate sales data during financial close. I ensure accurate recording of sales in multiple currencies. I ensure accurate recording of sales in multiple currencies. I track sales returns and allowances. I track sales returns and allowances. I prepare detailed sales transaction summaries. I prepare detailed sales transaction summaries. I ensure all sales records are up to date. I ensure all sales records are up to date. I document sales from trade shows and events. I document sales from trade shows and events. I ensure accurate recording of dropshipment sales. I ensure accurate recording of dropshipment sales. I track revenue from service contracts. I track revenue from service contracts. I ensure accurate recording of consignment sales. I ensure accurate recording of consignment sales. I document sales revenue from partnerships. I document sales revenue from partnerships. I reconcile sales records with point-of-sale systems. I reconcile sales records with point-of-sale systems. I ensure accurate recording of barter transactions. I ensure accurate recording of barter transactions. I prepare profitability analysis based on sales data. I prepare profitability analysis based on sales data. I ensure sales records support financial statements. I ensure sales records support financial statements. I track sales made through third-party platforms. I track sales made through third-party platforms. I ensure accurate recording of export sales. I ensure accurate recording of export sales. I document revenue from licensing agreements. I document revenue from licensing agreements. I ensure accurate recording of sales-related expenses. I ensure accurate recording of sales-related expenses. I track sales performance by individual sales reps. I track sales performance by individual sales reps. I ensure accurate recording of sales incentives. I ensure accurate recording of sales incentives. I document sales from affiliate programs. I document sales from affiliate programs. I ensure compliance with international sales regulations. I ensure compliance with international sales regulations. I track sales data for budgeting purposes. I track sales data for budgeting purposes. I ensure accurate recording of installment payments. I ensure accurate recording of installment payments. I prepare sales data for tax audits. I prepare sales data for tax audits. I document sales transactions for financial reviews. I document sales transactions for financial reviews. I ensure accurate recording of bundled sales. I ensure accurate recording of bundled sales. I track sales tax liabilities accurately. I track sales tax liabilities accurately. I ensure accurate recording of pre-sales deposits. I ensure accurate recording of pre-sales deposits. I document revenue from advertising sales. I document revenue from advertising sales. I ensure accurate recording of sales adjustments. I ensure accurate recording of sales adjustments. I track sales made through mobile applications. I track sales made through mobile applications. I prepare sales data for investor reports. I prepare sales data for investor reports. I ensure accurate recording of sales commissions. I ensure accurate recording of sales commissions. I document revenue from recurring sales. I document revenue from recurring sales. I ensure accurate recording of sales to government entities. I ensure accurate recording of sales to government entities. I track sales data for strategic planning. I track sales data for strategic planning. I ensure accurate recording of seasonal sales. I ensure accurate recording of seasonal sales. I document revenue from training and consulting services. I document revenue from training and consulting services. I ensure accurate recording of sales promotions. I ensure accurate recording of sales promotions. I track sales made through direct marketing. I track sales made through direct marketing. I prepare sales data for internal audits. I prepare sales data for internal audits. I ensure accurate recording of sales to nonprofit organizations. I ensure accurate recording of sales to nonprofit organizations. I document sales from digital products. I document sales from digital products. I ensure accurate recording of sales rebates. I ensure accurate recording of sales rebates. I track sales performance against targets. I track sales performance against targets. I document revenue from franchise fees. I document revenue from franchise fees. I ensure accurate recording of sales grants. I ensure accurate recording of sales grants. I track sales trends for market analysis. I track sales trends for market analysis. I ensure accurate recording of gift card sales. I ensure accurate recording of gift card sales. I document revenue from sponsorship deals. I document revenue from sponsorship deals. I ensure accurate recording of sales to affiliates. I ensure accurate recording of sales to affiliates. I track sales data for performance reviews. I track sales data for performance reviews. I ensure accurate recording of sales incentives. I ensure accurate recording of sales incentives. I document revenue from event ticket sales. I document revenue from event ticket sales. I ensure accurate recording of wholesale sales. I ensure accurate recording of wholesale sales. I track sales transactions for compliance purposes. I track sales transactions for compliance purposes. I document revenue from partnership agreements. I document revenue from partnership agreements. I ensure accurate recording of sales to distributors. I ensure accurate recording of sales to distributors. I track sales data for financial forecasting. I track sales data for financial forecasting. I ensure accurate recording of sales to educational institutions. I ensure accurate recording of sales to educational institutions. I document sales from subscription services. I document sales from subscription services. I ensure accurate recording of sales to healthcare providers. I ensure accurate recording of sales to healthcare providers. I track sales data for business planning. I track sales data for business planning. I document revenue from licensing sales. I document revenue from licensing sales. I ensure accurate recording of sales to retail clients. I ensure accurate recording of sales to retail clients. I track sales transactions for management reporting. I track sales transactions for management reporting. I document revenue from membership fees. I document revenue from membership fees. I ensure accurate recording of sales to contractors. I ensure accurate recording of sales to contractors. I track sales data for operational efficiency. I track sales data for operational efficiency. I document revenue from digital advertising. I document revenue from digital advertising. I ensure accurate recording of sales to wholesalers. I ensure accurate recording of sales to wholesalers. I track sales transactions for profitability assessments. I track sales transactions for profitability assessments.
Thank you for listening Claverius Business English Series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group live session with our business English trainers.